What's the meaning of car? Car. Car.
Car. Car. A car is a motorized vehicle that is designed for transportation on roads. It typically has 4 wheels, an engine, and a body that seats passengers and provides protection from the elements. Cars can be powered by gasoline, diesel, electricity, or other fuels. They come in a wide range of sizes and shapes, ranging from compact hatchbacks to large SUVs. Cars are widely used for personal transportation and are an important part of modern society. They are also a major source of pollution and contribute to climate change.